In this video, I'll show you how to create a profit and loss report in QuickBooks. First, log into QuickBooks Online and open the company you want to use. Next, go to Reports in the left sidebar and select Standard Reports. Now find Profit and Loss in the Business Overview section and click it to open the report. After that, choose the report period and select the date range you want to review. Next, choose the accounting method, such as cash or accrual, if that option is available. Now review the report to see your total income, expenses, and net profit or loss for the selected period. If you want more specific information, click Customize in the top right corner and use the available filters to adjust the report. You can filter the report by customer, vendor, class, location, or other available options. After that, review the updated results and make sure the information matches the period you're analyzing. Finally, you can save the customized report, print it, or export it to Excel or PDF for your records. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a profit and loss report in QuickBooks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.